Winnie, what are you doing? Wendy, stop weakening the bars. She is slowly making those bars wider, and then she escapes. But when she escapes, she doesn't mind her own business. She goes into other birdie houses and upsets other birdies. So then the other birdies started learning how to escape. It's becoming the Wild West here. It's going to be free-range birds right away. Right, Wendy? Hey? She hasn't been out yet today. She was out last night, though. So it's not like she doesn't get freedom to fly around the house. Hey, you little monster? Are you my little monster? Hey? Yeah, you're a menace. You're a menace to society. Hey, Wendy? Are you so smart? Who's a smart birdie? Winnie Wigwin! Heaven's sakes. What are we going to do with you? Hey? Yeah. Oh, you're so pretty. You're so smart. There's trouble. She's only 2 months old. Aren't you fantastic? Hey, pretty girl. He's a pretty baby. He's a pretty baby. Heaven's sakes. What a character you are. Hey, pal? What you doing?